In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and view your WhatsApp backup on iCloud if you can't see it. Managing your WhatsApp backups is crucial to ensure that your important chats and media are safe, and understanding how they work with iCloud is an excellent place to start. Let's dive right in. First, let's navigate to iCloud settings on your iPhone. Grab your device and go to the Settings app. Once you're there, you'll see your name right at the top of the settings menu. Tap on it. This will take you to a new screen where you'll find various options related to your Apple ID, and right there you'll see iCloud. Tap on iCloud to proceed. Now that you are in the iCloud settings, let's move on to managing storage. You'll find an option labeled Manage Storage. This is your gateway to see all the apps that are currently using iCloud storage space. Tap on this and you'll get a detailed list of applications taking advantage of iCloud. As you browse through these apps, keep an eye out for WhatsApp. If it appears in this list, that means your WhatsApp backup is indeed present on iCloud. You should see the backup size specified right next to it. This is a good indication that your data is securely stored. However, if you can't find WhatsApp in this list, don't panic just yet. There are a couple of reasons why this might happen. It could simply mean that you haven't set up a WhatsApp backup to iCloud yet. It's possible that your WhatsApp iCloud backup settings are currently turned off, and we can fix that in no time. What we need to do next is enable your WhatsApp backup. To do this, open WhatsApp on your phone, then head straight into the settings menu. From there, tap on Chats and then Chat Backup. On this screen, you'll find an option to initiate a backup immediately by tapping Backup Now. Alternatively, you can opt for more peace of mind by enabling Auto Backup. This way your chats are automatically backed up according to your schedule, be it daily, weekly, or monthly. By ensuring that the auto backup is turned on, you'll avoid finding yourself in a situation where crucial messages might be lost. This proactive step will save you a lot of hassle in the future. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you can easily find and manage your WhatsApp backups on iCloud. Remember, regular backups are the key to maintaining peace of mind when it comes to your digital communications. Thanks for joining me in this quick tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. See you in the next video.